If you've been struggling to blend half wigs with thin edges, this one is for you. I'm about to show you why this Nadula half wig is different and how it melts into your natural hair no matter your texture.
All right, girl. So if you have thin edges, relaxed, or natural hair, whether you're 4C, 4B, or 3C, you already know half wigs can be tricky. And they just don't be blended right, or you just feel like you have to do too much to make them work. But this wig right here, the one I'm about to show y'all, the Nadula half wig, is built freaking different. The 4C blend edge technology makes it beginner friendly, natural looking, and thin edge approved. Y'all see this right here? Y'all, it's a big bald spot under there. I might show you guys in the thumbnail. But I'm gonna show you guys how I blend it with my real hair. Let's get into it. This is Nadula's half wig with their 4C blend edge technology. And when I tell you these edges are the game changer, all right? The edges are the star of the show, okay? They're soft, they're fluffy, and they match coily hair, relaxed hair, even fine textures. You don't need to you don't need to leave a lot of hair out or do the most with this wig because it's already built to blend. The flip bend structure gives you that full natural density at the root, so you get that soft fluffy blend without all that extra manipulation, because ain't nobody got time for that. This is the full on construction. Comes with five wigs, 5 combs in total, and it's a drawstring at the nape for a secure fit. This isn't a one size fits some wig, it is for every freaking body. So let me be real with you right now. This is probably going to be the quickest install you've done did in your life, okay? It's going to literally be under 30 seconds. You're not using any lace spray, any lace glue. The only thing you need to do is angle the combs in for a secure fit, and you just want to go ahead and tighten up that drawstring in the back of that nape, and you're good to go. Let's talk about the real difference here though. Most half wigs aren't really made for thin edges or natural hair textures. They got that straight, flat track at the root. And when you be trying to blend it, it's just a freaking whole struggle. You end up using a ton of product and it still don't look right. They're made for thicker leave out, not for coily textures, thin edges, or fine hair. So we're gonna go ahead and blend in our leave out with the rest of the wig. Now with this wig, you don't need a lot of leave out. You don't even need edges dang near, okay? Because I barely got none. So my hair is a little bit dirty and oily. Don't mind that, okay? But look how quick. Look how quick this was, literally under 30 seconds. It looks like I got all this volume. You don't see no track in the front. You don't see no flatness. You just see like this is really my hair. Like I literally should have left it like this. The video can be done, ended. I am done. Like a traditional half wig could never. When I say Nadula ate down with this, but just to fill it in a little bit more, you want to go in with this edge fixture. Now you want to use your regular edge control to swoop your baby hairs in position and use this afterwards, okay? So you're just going to take a dollop of this product, okay? And you're just going to swoop. This is why I say you want to use a edge control first, then follow up this product, because you're going to look a sight if you don't. Look, y'all, I just taught y'all how to grow edges in 30 seconds. Look at this. It look like I got full edges. You can't tell me nothing. So when I'm telling you this wig plus that product, y'all, chef's kiss, immaculate. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fluff out this wig because of course we gotta see what it's giving. This flip over method eats down. Everybody loves a flip over method. And y'all see, look at this. All I did was flip the hair to the side. And she looks amazing. And that's the goal for me. When I'm wearing half wigs, I want it to look like my hair. I do not want it to look like a wig. You couldn't tell me this was a wig. You could try, but it's giving it's all mine because it is. This is just a cute beginner friendly style that you can do when you tired of the hair being all in your face, but you still want to give that, okay, this is my hair. All right, so you're just gonna do a little knot in the front and a little knot in the back, and just going to go ahead and fluff out the wig again, and you're pretty much done. Like easy, simple, very much quick. Look at this, y'all. This is what I'm talking about. No one would say that's not my hair. So y'all didn't think we was gonna wet the hair to see what it was gonna give? Oh no, we had to do that. Look how pretty and juicy these curls are. I am going in with some Nairobi foam wrap lotion. You can use water too, so you don't use up all your product. If you want the wet hair look and you want the curls to, stay in this state, I definitely would recommend you use mousse. This wig, or yeah, half wig, is very versatile. You can blow dry, you can curl it. The styles are endless. However, I would say, like, when you're putting it in a ponytail, I definitely would recommend you having a headband, because again, it has a lot of volume, and I feel like it's just made to do just that, give you that volume, giving that fullness, and that's what I love. I love that. So I actually should have left it like this, y'all. Do y'all see how good this look? Like, this is a cute little style. I loved it. So yeah, to blend my hair in when I don't want to do the twist, I like to go in with this cream. I forgot, I don't want to mispronounce the name, so I either put it on the screen or put it in the description section. But I use this cream and smooth it down, and I mix it and rotate it in with water, and then I scrunch up my curls. This cream is made for all textures, all hair textures. So don't sleep on it. I'm gonna leave it below because you need it. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. When I tell you, this wig is a 10 out of 10, and it's definitely going to be my go-to, because I think this wig is it's like around $100 or something like that. So if I were you, I would go ahead and get on it, because she is that girl, especially for the summer. Yes, she's that girl.